Hello everyone, now I am going to start question number 6 of exercise 3.4. Now question number 6 says a number is divisible by 5 and 12. Now what does it mean a number is divisible by 5 and 12? If a number is divisible by any number, then we get 0 as remainder. So here it is said that a number is divisible by 5 and 12, means when this number is divided by 5 or 12, we will get 0 as remainder. Now we will have to find by which other number will that number be always divisible. So let the number be x, and if it is divisible by 5 and 12, then when we divide x by 5 or by 12, we will get 0 as remainder. We will have to find the third number. When we divide x by this third number, we will get 0 as remainder. Okay. Now here let us take an example. Say 12. Now as last digit is even number, so it will be divisible by 2, right? And and we know that this 12 comes in 3's table. That means it is divisible by 3 also. Now we know that if the number is divisible by 2 as well as 3, then the number will be divisible by 6 also, because according to the divisibility by 6, if a number is divisible by 2 and as well as 3, then the number will be divisible by 6 also. So that means how we have got this 6? By multiplying this 2, 6 can be written as 2 multiplied by 3. So that means this and this, when we will find the product of this and this, then we will get the third number. Similarly, here it is said that a number which is unknown to us is divisible by 5 and 12. Now we will have to find the third number. So how we will find the third number? 12 5s are 60. Here will be 60. Now how we have got 60? By multiplying these two. So 5 and 12, if you multiply, then we will get the third number. So by which other number will that number be divisible? Now when we divide x by this 60, we will get 0 as remainder. So this is the third number. So this third number we can get by multiplying this two number, which is 5 and 12, which will be 60. Okay. Now coming to question number 7. Now question number 7 says a number is divisible by 12. Now what other numbers will that number be divisible? Here it is said that a number is divisible by 12. That means when we divide a number by 12, we will get 0 as remainder. And what we have seen in the previous question, there was two number. Our number was divisible by two numbers. Okay. And what other numbers will that number be divisible? Now here, if we consider the unknown number, say x, and it is said that the number is divisible by 12. Okay. Now that means when we divide x by 12, we will get 0 as remainder. What other numbers will that number be divisible? So we will have to find what other numbers are there. When we divide x by these numbers, we will get 0. Okay. Now let's take an example. If we take 36 here, now 36 is divided by 6. 36 is divisible by 6. Why? Because if you divide 36 by 6, we get 0 as remainder. Now here this 36 can be divided by 2 also. Why? Because as last digit is even number, so it can be divisible by 2. Now 36 can be divisible by 3 also. Why? Because sum of the digit is 9 and 9 comes in 3's table, so it will be divisible by 3. Now how we have got this 6? By multiplying 2 and 3, right? If you multiply these two, will get 6. Now this we can find in another way also. Like this, see here, the 36 is divisible by 6. Suppose this is given. So how we have got these two numbers? These are the factors of 6. So factors of 6 are 2 and 3. That means always remember, if a number is divisible by any number, then this number will be divisible by the factors of this number also. Like here 36 is divisible by 6. So the factors of 6 is 2 and 3. So 36 is divisible by 2 and 3 also. So here it is said that a number is divisible by 12. This x is divisible by 12. What other numbers will this x be divisible? That we will have to find. So it will be the factors of 12, as we have seen here that when 6 is given, suppose if 36 is divisible by 6, then 36 is divisible by the factors of 6 also. Similarly here we will have to find the factors of 12. Okay. So factors of 12 are 1 12s are 12, 2 6s are 12, 3 4s are 12. So the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. 12 we have not written as 12 is already there in the question. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. That means when you divide x by this number, will get 0. Okay. So what other numbers will that number be divisible? It will be divisible by the factors of 12, which is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. Okay. This was about question number 7. Thank you, students.